Green Bay Wacky. I do news, comedy skits, how-to videos, original music videos, and fun and interesting live streams. You gotta go to my playlist. Green Bay Wacky is on all social media platforms. Support me by subscribing, becoming a monthly member, go to my About page for merchandise, or simply share my videos. Hey, it's Green Bay Wacky. I'm back doing the news. I've been off for a few weeks, making some personal changes in my life in a good way. I mean, finances, work, all kinds of things, but I'm back. Okay, I wanted to cover this. Let me just jump right into it. Wow. Where will they go next? Just let me show you the picture. That's Amazon's new home drone. Now you think of drones, you think of these other things, right? Flying around outside, taking your landscapes. Look at this rechargeable type drone that now will go through your entire home. You see that? Take a look. I'll move out of the way. Look, I'll go right in the middle of the drone right there, and I'll explain it. I've seen the video. Unbelievable. The drone flies around your house filming everything, every room, everything on every desk, everything, filming everything. Do you not see a danger in this? Do you not see a danger in this? I mean, what if their drone that's watching every room in your house, everything that's in your house, what if that's being watched by someone else? I see a danger in this. Wow. Drones now inside your house, and it's a good thing. It's only $200. Let's fly around your house so you can make sure there's no robbers there. It's all in the name of righteousness. The boundaries just go further and further. We got Alexa, we got the little thing that you talk to, to go on the internet with. Like, that's not spying on you. We got our phones, like, that's not spying on you. Well, that phone didn't show up on my green screen, but that's all right. You get the point. It's a phone. New drones now. We go research it, go Google it, watch the video. It's astounding. Watching a drone flying through a person's house, filming everything. Everything. I mean, every detail of the house, everything that's in there, everything you do. And this, to me, is not a good thing. I know I won't be getting it. No drones will be flying in the wacky house. I just reported. You decided. What do you think of drones flying through the house with cameras? I just have a feeling that this information will be gotten back to people that probably should not be watching things in your house. That's my view on it. Tell me what you think. Amazon's new home surveillance system, just a couple $100, $250. It's all good. It's in the name of righteousness. Keep your house safe. That's right. Let's let more things in that can spy on you. Oh, sorry, that was a hot mic. Okay, Green Bay Wacky, I reported. You decide. Over and out. Go check it out for yourself.